Hey, what's going on everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use memory seats in your Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, anything in these model lines. It's going to be the same thing. So either it's going to be up here or it's going to be down here, and it's going to look just like this. It's going to have a 1, a 2, and in the center it's going to have an S. So the first thing you need to make sure is you have your car on. Once your car is on, you'll be able to move your seats around. So I can move my seat back or down, and however you want to do it. Same thing with the mirrors. On this model, this is a Grand Cherokee Limited X. So for this model, the mirrors and the seats will work for this memory function. Some are just the seats. Some models you'll get even the steering wheel and tilt included in the whole memory setup. But for this one, just going to be mirrors and seats. So this is actually very simple. So down here what you're going to do is you have your seat set up where you want it. In order to save it, you're going to press S for save and then 1. Up here in the dash it'll say memory 1 profile set. Now you can do the exact same thing for 2 if you have someone else in the household that has a completely different setup as you do. Same exact thing, move it to where you want to. Same thing with the mirrors. Press S and then 2, and it'll save it there. So now I have 1 saved, and I already had 2 saved. So right now I'm in 1. If I want to hit 2, it'll move. There we go. Now I'm in my seating position for number 2. Also, the mirrors moved. So if I hit 1, the mirrors will move a little bit, and I'm back to 1. And one more little thing that I wanted to add when it comes to the seats. If you go to your infotainment, go to settings, and you scroll down to key off options, when you turn your key off, or push button start that is, when you turn your vehicle off, you have something called easy exit seats. I have it checked right now. Basically what that does is you're in your seating position, and this works very well for people with limited mobility, or maybe even people that just want this as a comfort. If you have that, you turn off the vehicle, what it'll do is it'll move your seat back so it's easy for you to get out of the car. So that's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and turn off the vehicle. And as you can see, it moves me back. So when I get out of the vehicle, I now have much more room to get in and out. So I hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you soon.